Explanation of the 15 differences between cardiac arrest and ventricular fibrillation. 1. Definition. Cardiac arrest, a sudden loss of heart function where the heart stops effectively pumping blood, leading to loss of consciousness and absence of pulse. It is a clinical condition. Ventricular fibrillation, VF, a specific type of life-threatening arrhythmia, abnormal heart rhythm, where the electrical activity of the ventricles becomes disordered, causing the ventricles to quiver ineffectively instead of contracting normally. Nature. Cardiac arrest, a condition that is the end result of several potential causes, including electrical problems, trauma, or drug overdose. Ventricular fibrillation, a cause of cardiac arrest. VF leads to cardiac arrest if not treated immediately. Ha3. Electrical activity. Cardiac arrest can result from any severe electrical dysfunction, including VF, asystole, no electrical activity, or pulseless electrical activity. Ventricular fibrillation, characterized by chaotic, disorganized electrical signals in the ventricles with no organized rhythm. NAMSHA 4. Heart pumping function. Cardiac arrest. The heart is not pumping blood or not pumping enough to maintain life. Ventricular fibrillation. The ventricles quiver or twitch ineffectively, leading to zero or minimal blood flow. 5. Consciousness. Cardiac arrest. The patient collapses immediately, becomes unconscious, and stops breathing or has abnormal gasping. Ventricular fibrillation causes immediate unconsciousness due to cessation of effective blood circulation. 6. Pulse. Cardiac arrest, no palpable pulse, apical or carotid, as there's no cardiac output. Ventricular fibrillation also presents with no palpable pulse because the heart is not contracting properly. 7. Causes. Cardiac arrest can be caused by VF, VT, ventricular tachycardia, severe electrolyte imbalances, heart attack, trauma, hypoxia, overdose, etc. Ventricular fibrillation typically results from ischemic heart disease, myocardial infarction, heart attack, electrocution, or cardiomyopathy. Narrative 8. Onset cardiac arrest, sudden and often without warning, may or may not be preceded by symptoms like chest pain or shortness of breath. Ventricular fibrillation usually occurs suddenly, often during or after a heart attack or in critically ill patients. #9. Treatment focus. Cardiac arrest requires CPR plus identification and treatment of the underlying cause, e.g. defibrillation for VF, epinephrine for asystole. Ventricular fibrillation requires immediate defibrillation as it is a shockable rhythm. 10. Role of defibrillation. Cardiac arrest may or may not respond to defibrillation depending on the rhythm. Defibrillation works for VF or pulseless VT. Ventricular fibrillation. Defibrillation is the definitive treatment. Without it, death is inevitable. 11. Reversibility. Cardiac arrest can sometimes be reversed if treated promptly and the underlying cause is addressed. Ventricular fibrillation, reversible only with rapid defibrillation and supportive care. 12. ECG appearance. Cardiac arrest shows various possible rhythms on ECG, asystole, flatline, VT, or PEA. Ventricular fibrillation shows a rapid, erratic, irregular waveform on ECG, no identifiable QRS complexes, P waves, or T waves. 13. Cardiac arrest. Generally poor if not treated within minutes. Chance of survival drops 7 to 10% per minute without intervention. Ventricular fibrillation. Prognosis is good if defibrillated within 3 to 5 minutes, poor if delayed. NASH 14. Cardiac arrest can happen anywhere, in hospital, at home, during surgery, etc. Ventricular fibrillation, often seen in patients with existing heart disease, especially during myocardial infarction, MI. 15. Prevention. Cardiac arrest, preventable by managing cardiovascular risk factors, avoiding drug overdose, ensuring safety. Ventricular fibrillation, preventable by controlling coronary artery disease, implanting ICDs, implantable cardioverter defibrillators in high-risk individuals. Thank you. Have a nice day.